Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. And today, you guys, I am going to make some delicious deviled eggs with bacon. They have a spicy kick to them. And you guys, these deviled eggs are extremely delicious. And if you make them, trust me, your friends and family will enjoy these and tell you every time, are you going to make them deviled eggs and bring them back to the cookout, to the family gathering, or whatever holiday function, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, whatever gathering it is, you will be the person, the go-to person to make the deviled eggs. I would like to give a shout out to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. I appreciate all of your support and for the subscribers that you sent to my channel. So you guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm making us some delicious deviled eggs with a spicy kick and bacon to them. Let's get into the video. Okay, so instead of me boiling my eggs, I bought these great value hard-boiled eggs. It's 6 in this pack. And this was like $1.89. They're already pre-boiled. The reason why I bought the pre-boiled is because I work a lot and I'm trying to make things a little easier for me. Okay, so we're going to use these. We are going to use a pinch of sugar. I'm going to use some relish. Sweet relish at that. I'm going to use a dab of hot sauce. I'm going to use some mayonnaise. Get some mayonnaise that tastes good. That's all I can say. I am going to use some spicy brown mustard instead of regular mustard, because remember, these are deviled eggs, and deviled eggs have a little kick to them. Okay, that's why we had a hot sauce, and that's why I had a spicy brown mustard, and spicy brown mustard has flavor to it. We're going to use a pinch of black pepper. We're going to use a pinch of sea salt, or whatever kind of salt you choose, table salt, and the paprikas for decorations. I'm going to use bacon. I'm going to use some onion. And I'm going to use Martha Stewart's secret ingredient for deviled eggs, which is butter. So here I have about 3 tablespoons of butter. Now, if you don't want to add the butter, you can omit that. But I like the way these taste, doing it the way Martha Stewart did it with the butter. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, you guys, is in my mini chopper, I'm going to go ahead and crush up my bacon. Okay. Crumble up my bacon so that it can fit inside of the yolk. And then I'm going to have some to garnish on the top as well. So I'm going to place this into my mini chopper. So I want you guys to see that, okay? I always get putting that on the back confused. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's chop this bacon. Okay, so now we have chopped bacon. Okay, you guys, so as you can see here, I have my chopped bacon and my chopped onions that I chopped in my mini chopper. Okay, so I'm going to slice my eggs. I have my a knife I'm using like this. Okay, and I'm going to go in and cut my egg in the middle. I want you guys to see that point there. I'm going to cut it like so, straight down the middle, each egg. And you see how that turns out? Okay? That's how you want it to look, okay? step is we're going to take the yolks out of the eggs. So now we have our yolks out. Now we're gonna get ready to start mixing everything in. The first thing I'm going to do is squish my yolks down like so. Okay, the next step is I am going to put in my sugar, which is about a teaspoon of sugar or a pinch. I am going to add in 1 tablespoon of sweet relish. Add in about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is a squeeze jar. Okay, so we have about 2 tablespoons of mayo. We're gonna use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard. Just a dab of hot sauce, like that. Not too much. About 2 teaspoons of hot sauce, or 1 teaspoon. It depends on how you like your spice. Oh, I did that. I'm gonna add in a pinch of black pepper. You don't have to, since you have the hot sauce. And we're gonna add in a dab of the sea salt, a pinch of salt. Okay, like so. Just a pinch of salt. We're gonna add in the bacon. Now when it comes to this, you add in as much as you want to. I'm gonna add in about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add in a half a tablespoon of the minced onions. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add in the butter, and I'm gonna start to mix everything together. Okay? I'm gonna add a little more mayo. You never add too much of mayo in the beginning because you never want to have too much of mayo, okay? So I'm gonna add a little more. Mayo and a little more of the spicy brown mustard. So that's gonna be about 1 more tablespoon of mayo and 1 more tablespoon of spicy brown mustard. And the reason why is because we did add in that bacon and the onion. Now I'm going to taste to see if I need any more of that relish or sugar. So let me get a spoon to do that. I keep these on hand when I cook so that I can have me some taste testing spoons with it. It's good. But I am going to add some more of this relish and a little bit more sugar. That's all it's missing is the sugar. Okay. Okay, everyone. So after you have adjusted your seasoning to your liking, go ahead, get you a Ziploc bag. We're going to use this for piping, a Ziploc bag. Okay. Open your Ziploc bag up. Fill your Ziploc bag with your deviled egg filling, okay? Take your filling and squeeze it all the way down. To one corner of your Ziploc bag. And you see that? See the tip? See the tip? After you squeeze all your filling down to one end, let me get it closer. We're gonna cut that tip, and that's what we're gonna use to fill our eggs. Ta-da! Cut your tip. And I'm going to start filling my eggs. Like so. Okay. Okay, you guys, go ahead and sprinkle you some of that bacon and some paprika when you're finished to make you some delicious deviled eggs. These are spicy deviled eggs with bacon. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share, 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 like. Tell each and everyone that you know about Cooking with TK's channel. And I hope you guys try this recipe if you like deviled eggs. So, peace, love, and have a great day. I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers.